Have you ever wondered how all your friends seem to easily get any girl they want? Maybe you've wondered what you're doing wrong. Today we're going to help you get any girl you can imagine. How to get any girl. 7 psychological secrets of attraction. Psychology is defined as the science of behavior and mind. Companies use psychological secrets everywhere to try to get your attention, make you think, and need their product or service, and even spend money you don't have. Sounds like pretty powerful stuff, huh? Welcome to Ladies Who Love You, a channel dedicated to helping people from all over the world get the woman of their dreams. After this video, you'll know 7 of the best psychological secrets to attract women. If you're looking for more helpful tips to improve your dating life, make sure to stay until the end of the video, where you can learn how to get even more secrets and helpful information to help you win over any woman you desire. Before we get started, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon if you're wanting to stay up to date on all the best tips, tricks, and secrets out there when it comes to dating. All right, let's jump into the first psychological secret, social proof. Social proof is the psychological term for when someone around you influences the way you act or behave. This is often used in advertising to get people to think a product is better than it is. Let's say you're at the bar getting drinks with your buddies. If a woman sees you and is interested, she may not know whether you're approachable or not. What you could do in this situation is to make it look like you're telling a joke and have all your friends laugh. If she's looking, she'll think you're funny and a good time to be around. This can be applied to your online presence as well. You may want to make sure you appear as a social butterfly or someone who easily gets along with people. Pre-selection. Kind of in the same realm as the social proof tactic, pre-selection is a psychological effect where a woman will find you more attractive if she sees you with another girl. It has been proven that women tend to be more attracted to men who are in relationships. Now, this isn't a good thing as you can guess, but you can use it to your advantage. You could go to a coffee shop with one of your female friends and apply the tactics from above. You will look much more attractive, and it shows that you can get along with women. The extended gaze. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book, the extended gaze. Did you know that when 2 people are talking to each other face to face, they only make eye contact between 30 and 60% of the time? Did you also know that people who claim to be in love with each other look at each other at least 75% of the time when having a conversation? If you're on a date with a woman you're interested in, make sure to have plenty of eye contact. This shows intimacy and that you're interested in her and what you're talking about. Doing this has actually been proven to release oxytocin in the brain. You know, the chemical that's referred to as the love drug. Next time you're on a date, try the extended gaze, but don't stay for too long or that can make things just weird. The personality hack. Have you ever been around someone who complained a lot? Chances are you didn't want to hang around with them for long. There was a study done a few years ago that showed when a person is more positive, your face actually appears more attractive. I know, this sounds strange, but how many women do you know that are attracted to negative and depressing people? All you have to do for this psychological secret to work is to make sure you're laid back and having a good time. Body language. Many guys aren't aware of how often women pay attention to body language. Most of the women I know are aware enough of the body language techniques to look out for it. It has been said that if you're having a conversation with someone and you cross your arms if they cross their arms as well, they are interested in what you're saying. Also, if you're standing in a group of people, who your feet are pointed towards is who you're paying attention to. You should also try to not have closed-off body language. This makes you seem cold and uninviting. Make sure you stand tall and display open body language. Negotiation trick. Since you already know what negotiation is, this one may come a little more natural to you. Negotiating something can put the idea in someone's head that they want what they can't have. You can use this to get her to think about you. If I told you right now to not think about going surfing, you're probably going to think about going surfing. This can be used as a great flirting technique. If you want to make her desire and want you as much as possible, give this trick a shot. sexual tension. As usual, we've saved the best for last. Let's talk about sexual tension. If you've ever had sexual tension with a woman, and we hope you have, that means that you can feel her attraction towards you without anything needing to be said. If you show it back, it can make things pretty fun. Let's say you're at a family gathering. Normally, this is a place where you appear as your best self. But what if you whispered in her ear at the dinner table, "I can't wait to get back to the hotel room with you"? Add a little wink in there, and boom, you have sexual tension. You may want to do this after you've been dating a while, so you know that she'll enjoy it. All right, guys, that's all for this one. We hope that you've learned a few psychological secrets that you can try out the next time you're on a date. Remember not to complain too much, keep open body language, and show her that you want her. Make sure that you're not keeping eye contact for too long, no more than 3 seconds at a time. Do all these things and get ready for a good time. If you have any suggestions for the next video topic or any thoughts about this video, please leave a comment. Also, if you're looking for more tips on how to charm and attract the ladies, be sure to click the link in the description below to claim your free guide, packed with a bunch of tips and tricks that will help you score the girl of your dreams. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.